Yeah, hi. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the B minor scale on your piano or keyboard, or also known as the B natural minor scale. I'm going to show you the correct fingering for both right hand and left hand. So let's start out with the right hand. I just want to mention that the B minor scale has two sharps, the C sharp and the F sharp. So two black keys for this scale, okay? Now, to play the right hand, the B minor scale in the right hand, start out with your second finger on the B. Then play the C sharp with your third finger. And now thumb under to play the D, the E, F sharp, third finger, thumb under again to G, A, and B. And downwards, starting with your third finger, A, G, now third finger across to F sharp, E, D, and third finger across to C sharp. Okay, I'll do it again, nice and slow. Second finger starting on the B. B, C sharp, thumb under to D, E, F sharp, thumb under to G, A, and B. And downwards, starting with your third finger, B, A, G, third finger across, F sharp, E, D, third finger across to C sharp, and back home to B. Okay, let's move on with the left hand. The left hand starting with your fourth finger on B. Okay. So, fourth finger on B, C sharp, D, E, and now fourth finger across to F sharp, G, A, B, and going downwards all the way down to the fourth finger, then thumb under, B, A, G, F sharp, thumb under to E, D, C sharp, and B. And I'll do this again nice and slowly. Fourth finger on B, C sharp, D, E, now fourth finger across to F sharp, G, A, and B, and downwards. Thumb under to E, okay, there you have it, the B minor scale. Please remember to like this video if you liked this lesson. I'm sure you did, right? And subscribe to my channel to get more free videos from me. Okay, please do it now, guys. Help me out. See you around.
So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.